time to start on YouTube is now. I just answered a comment a little bit ago. The guy said that he was going to start his YouTube channel tomorrow and he wanted some advice. My advice was to start today. It's so easy to have a million excuses why you want to start tomorrow, but the time to start on YouTube is right now. Stop putting it off. Why do tomorrow what you can do today? We always want to put things off. We always want to have some reason, some excuse why we can't do it right now. I used to think that it was too late to start on YouTube. Like all the top YouTubers started a decade ago. In fact, 10 years ago, I thought it was too late to start. But I'm more convinced now than ever that it's never too late to start. And the time to start is right now. Right now, I'm in the hospital with my daughter. I think I have a pretty good excuse as to why I can't publish a YouTube video this week. But right now I got 5 minutes. I got 5 minutes to spare to film a video, and it's not going to be perfect. Look, I got to shave. I haven't showered in a couple days. I got all kinds of things going on. I'm busy. We have life struggles, and I'm sure you're the same. You have legitimate reasons not to make videos. But here's the thing. If it's important to you, and if it's important to your future, then you'll find the time. Stop making excuses. The time to start is now. And also, stop worrying about making perfect videos. Man, this video, as you can tell, is not perfect. When you start your YouTube channel, it's not going to be perfect. In fact, you should make a goal of making 100 imperfect videos. Before you even worry about growing too much, you need to get into the habit of simply making videos. It's kind of like how there's always a need for new television programs on TV. You would never say that it's too late to make a new movie. You would never say that it's too late for Hollywood to make a new TV show. So why do you think it's too late for you to make a YouTube channel? It's not too late. In fact, this is such a simple point that I'm not even going to talk about it anymore. Go make a video. Listen, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy. Isn't that right, sweetie? Isn't that right?